What's up YouTube, Tape and Green back here with another video today. I'm going to be seeing how fast I can solve a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, look at my Rubik's Cube. Not the whole side, how fast I can solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. I'm trying to learn how to do the whole Rubik's Cube, but just one side. So I'm going to throw it up in the air and close my eyes and point under the Rubik's Cube and then see what color it lands on. Whatever color it lands on is the color I have to do. Okay, ready? Yellow. Okay, I have to do yellow. Okay, ready? Yellow. Starting like this. Ready? Go. Wait, I'm going to start at a minute exactly so I know how much time. And I'm not that good at this. I bet it'll take me about 10 minutes. There we go. Okay. Done. A minute and 50 seconds. Holy moly. Here, just so you guys know I'm not cheating, I'll try to do it again. I don't know if I'll get it. I might have gotten lucky or something. I don't know what happened there, but I got lucky. I think I did get lucky because when I made one of the sides, or when I made the X, so how you're supposed to do it is you're supposed to make an X, one right here, or at least I know for one side. This is how you're supposed to start for the whole thing too, but you're supposed to make it like an X like there, and then there, and then after you do that, just say this is my X, and then here, I'll just make another video after this, show you guys how to make one side of the Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing again. Ready? Alright, orange. Imagine there's yellow again. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 4 minutes exactly. Go. I started 4 minutes exactly. Just remember that, Taven. Probably gonna end up forgetting. Okay. There we go. Go. Wait, started 4 minutes, right? Okay. Oh shoot, it's down there. Okay, whatever. Alright, I started at 4 minutes. Just don't want to forget. And done. A minute and 26. What did I get the first time? I think it was a minute and 40 something. Oh, just to prove to you guys. Alright. So I'm actually pretty good at this. I'll do it one more time. Hopefully the video doesn't. If the video just runs out, this will be my outro.